learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. So, Alice, what do you do? 你是做什么的呢？其实我知道嘛，你是主持人、录音员，对不对？好，这个 that's the theme that we're teaching this whole month. What do you do for a living? 怎么说你是做什么的？
是马给头路。
是马给头路。Okay, that means what do you do for a living? Now, some people just do a little business. 有些人呢，他可能只是做小生意啊，对不对？也不用去多说他做什么生意。
对。
Some people just say, I do business, a little business. They don't have to be specific what they do. You can ask them, or you can say, 做小生意的。
做生意嘅，
真的可以讲哦。
可以啊。
做生意嘅，
他就做小生意的。
做生就是小小的，say is a little， 生意嘅就是 means 生意的。
对。
Okay, that means I do a little business. And maybe some people really do a little business. 有些人可能是骗人，是谦虚而已，对不对？
他大老板。
豪宅一大堆，还说我做小生意，对。但有些就是卖水果啊，怎么样，对不对？那 let's say you have a fruit shop, okay? 水果怎么说？
购置，
这样听起来好像果汁呢，
有一点像，可是它不一样哦。
不一样。
购置，它应该是说果汁。
Okay. 购置 Okay, that means fruit. Okay, it also sounds like juice, but it really means fruit. And some people have a part-time job, a temp job. Okay, 有些尤其在打工学生，可能是临时工而已啊，临时工怎么说呢？
临时工。
Okay, that means a part-time job.
那海陆腔的临时工，临时工。
Okay, that's a different dialect. 临时工是那个时比较不一样，要卷舌，对不对？临时工 you gotta curl your tongue a little bit for this different dialect of saying part-time. So we might as well make a sentence out of this. 我们来造个句，就说我做临时工的，
就在打工。
Yeah, I do part-time job. How do you say that in total?
我做临时工嘅。
我做 that means I do 臨時工嘅 Okay, that means again part-time job. All right, let's review these terms. 做小生意的 doing a little business.
做生意嘅。
做生意嘅 And then fruit 水果。
购置。
And finally, if you're a part-timer, you're a part-timer. 臨時工。And it's all about asking people, what do you do for a living? 你是做什么的呢？
是马给头路。
是马给头路。And there you go, another edition of Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
什么大家？
按子say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.